Hello and welcome to Easy Drupal. Today in this short video I'm going to show you how to install Drush globally on your Ubuntu Docker container. So if you've set up Docker as per my previous videos, I'll link to those down below, you should have a Docker container available which you can install Drush in. Now I'm just going to use my basic Ubuntu container because my Drupal container already has Drush installed and I don't really want to uninstall it. Okay, so this is just a plain, simple, basic Linux container. So the first thing we need to do is log into our Linux container, and that is using the docker exec command. Mine is called Ubuntu Basic, but yours is possibly called Drupal or something similar. I'm now connected to the container via the command line. So to install Drush, we use Composer. So I'm using the global require command for Composer. Okay, so you'll see that installed a whole load of other dependencies. That is because I don't actually have Drupal installed on this container. Probably should have done that first, but obviously the dependencies would have already been there. Okay, lesson learned there. I'll do a separate video on installing Drupal on a blank container rather than from a container that already has Drupal contained. So we have done that. We now need to run a Composer update. So we run Composer global update, which will just get the latest version of everything. Should hopefully all be up to date. As suspected, nothing to update or install. Okay, now we need to add the Drush to our path. This will make it available wherever you are in the system. So to do this, we need to be in our home directory. The file that we need to edit is called bashrc or .bashrc. And that path there will be available in your bash window. If we save that and exit and then just restart our bash, we should now have Drush available globally, if I can spell it. Now obviously because we don't have a Drupal site, it's not going to give me very much information, but it does at least run Drush, give me a bit of basic information. If we had a Drupal site installed and we were in the right directory, we would be able to see the details of that site. Okay, that's the end of that one. Thanks very much for watching. See you soon.